What's up, YouTube? Back again with another video, and in today's video we're going to be taking the things a bit further and giving another Bitcoin long-term analysis. I usually give these updates every once in a while, every so often, just to give you guys a much more broader perspective on Bitcoin's long-term trading activity. There's a lot going on Bitcoin's price, especially over the past couple of years. Ever since 2020, Bitcoin has sort of been in this kind of upward ascending like channel. I know that's kind of hard to believe, considering all the dips we've had throughout the years. We've also had major pumps as well. We pumped to about 65,000 around 2022, 2021. And then in 2024, 2025, we pumped to about 125,000. So we have seen a lot of significant price milestones throughout Bitcoin's journey. As you can see on the bottom trend line, Bitcoin has 3 touch points, followed by the top trend line, which also has 3 touch points. As seen, drawn within this ascending channel, I've drawn with the green marker my prediction on what the price could do next, give or take. Again, this is just an estimate. Patterns aren't 100% foolproof on what the price can do next. Since I have the 1 week chart pulled up, price usually takes way longer to reflect as you zoom out on the price. When you zoom out more on the price, it does take longer to reflect. Bitcoin has gone through many transitions. Different years had different economic or macro events that tied to whatever was going on within that particular year. This year, as we speak, a lot of our macros tied to the Clarity Act getting, the Clarity Act finally getting finalized in our legislative law, and the Middle Eastern conflict, which has been going on for quite some time. Very huge pointers in our world today of economics that shape Bitcoin's price. Bitcoin is extremely volatile, has always been volatile, and will continue to be volatile, especially since there's not a lot of regulation regarding Bitcoin. Certain forms of regulation, but again, it's still not a regulated asset, foolproof in the United States yet. Hopefully the Clarity Act gets that settled. But let me know your thoughts and opinions on my particular chart setup for the long-term view of Bitcoin on the 1 week chart. What is your take? So in my opinion, I believe Bitcoin will continue to stay in this pattern for the foreseeable future. This particular ascending channel, a lot of people would be shocked to see, if you actually zoom out, Bitcoin's price actually looks pretty decent here. We have bounced off that bottom trend line at the third touch point at the last near the green marker, so we have a lot of potential. We could also go parabolic, breaking that top trend line. We could dip even further, breaking that top trend line. But let me know your thoughts and opinions on my technical analysis for the long-term Bitcoin setup. Please like, share, and subscribe. And you guys have a good rest of your day.